Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to buy Robux with a Visa gift card. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your PC or laptop, or you can even do this on your phone and head over to roblox.com and make sure you're on the home screen here. And then from here you want to click onto the Roblox icon there, so go ahead and click onto that. And then you want to click onto buy Robux. So now choose which Robux packages you want to buy. So if you want to buy 400, 800, 1700, this is in Australian dollars by the way, because I'm doing this video in Australia. It might be different if you're in a different country. So for this demonstration, I'm going to buy the $8.49 one, 400 Robux. So I'm going to click into that. And now from here you want to make sure you select the right card. So for this demonstration you're using a Visa gift card, so you need to click onto debit card here. And now you'll be taken to this order form to pay with that card. So what you need to do is add in your email, add in the 16-digit card information with the CVC number and the month expiry date too, the month and year, the full name on the card and the country and region that card is. And you can even save my payment method for a later date when you make purchases. And then once you've done that, click on the green pay button and you will receive your 400 Robux. I'm not going to do it, but this is just for a demonstration how to do this, guys. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. How to buy Robux with a Visa gift card. Thanks for watching until the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.